Whew. Tell you what, it's a hot one today. Beautiful mid-August, blue skies above. But I'm here, I've just been pruning my Stepover apple. I'm really pleased with it. I only planted it, I think it was a couple of years ago now. As a little pencil just coming up here. And now we've, as you can see, it's growing out nicely now. A good metre or so either side. And I've even got a couple of apples. It's a dwarf variety. And Stepover apple trees are, you know, really useful. Especially, you know, if you haven't got a lot of room height-wise and sort of width-wise, you know, to get a whole apple tree in, you can just plant this along a low border, like I have. I've got one here and one on the other side there. Mainly for sort of decoration here, because I've got the different apple trees in the orchard, but a great addition, especially again in the springtime when the flowers are, you know, all the way along the tree, as I hope there will be, you know, in years to come. But a couple of apples and it's looking good. Job's a good one.